In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a list from Klaviyo. If you need a clean spreadsheet of your contacts for reporting, sharing with teammates, or moving data into another tool, this quick walkthrough will get you there smoothly. First, head to your Klaviyo dashboard and look to the left sidebar. Open Audience, then click Lists and Segments. This is where all of your contact groups live. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the right workspace helps avoid exporting the wrong data, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Next, locate the list you want to export and click its name to open it. The title might be something like Email List, but choose the exact list that holds the contacts you need. If you have many lists, use the search bar at the top of the page to find it quickly and reduce errors. In the top right corner of the list view, click Manage List. This menu gives you actions you can take on the list itself. From that drop-down, select Export to CSV. CSV stands for comma-separated values, a simple, universal file type that opens nicely in most spreadsheet programs and is easy to import elsewhere. You'll land on the Export Review screen. Here, choose the fields you want to include. Email is required and will be selected for you. You can also add first name, last name, phone number, and any custom properties you track. Export only what you actually need to keep files small, organized, and privacy conscious. For most use cases, email plus name is more than enough. Once your selections look right, click Start Export at the bottom of the screen. Klaviyo will begin generating the file in the background. For larger lists, this may take a few minutes, and you may see a status message while it processes, so feel free to wait on the page until it's ready. When the export is complete, download the CSV file to your computer. Then open it in your preferred tool, like Excel or Google Sheets, to review the data. You'll see one row per contact with the columns you selected. If you plan to import this elsewhere, keep it as a CSV to maintain compatibility. And that's it. You've successfully exported your list from Klaviyo. Follow these same steps anytime you need a fresh snapshot of your audience. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay this walkthrough whenever you need a quick refresher.